Hi, I'm Eugene Davis and I'm back with my model Talena. To achieve Talena's sleek look, I used ORS Olive Oil No Lie Hair Relaxer. Once we obtained the desired straightness, we used the ORS Creamy Aloe Shampoo, which properly neutralizes while maintaining moisture. Before blow drying Talena's hair, we use ORS Black Olive Oil Repair 7 Leave-In Conditioning Spray. This product controls frizz and aids in heat protection. Finally, to finish Talena's look, we used a flat iron, and for additional heat protection, we sprayed in the ORS Olive Oil 2-in-1 Shine, Mist, and Heat Defense to protect her beautiful tresses.
I love this look because it's sleek, edgy, and it makes me feel in control.